Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just got this motherboard X99 plus DDR4 Dominator Corsair RAMs plus i7 Generation 5 5930K processor LGA2011 ASRock motherboard. There is a problem with the motherboard that there are some pins that are bent unfortunately, and it's not working anymore. So I just thought that I should give it a try to repair it and see if it works back or not. As you can see behind the screen that some of these pins are bent and some of the other pins are bent. I have some tools with me, some forceps, uh, some nose plier, some tester screwdriver, multimeter, microscope. So let's see if I can repair it or not. These are the pins I need to work on to see if I can repair it or not. This forceps seems a little bit bigger for my need and I don't have anything smaller, so I think I will use a needle or something to try to straighten these pins back. And let's hope that I shall not break any pin in the meantime. So I'm back with some needles here and let's see what can be done. Let's try to do this easy one first. The very important thing is to prevent damage to other pins while straightening these pins. These pins are so tiny that I literally cannot see anything on the motherboard. I think I should not touch them any further. So what do we have here? One pin bent in reverse. Another pin is bent in reverse. This one is dangerous. I feel like I will break it while bending it back. Is there a hair here I can see? Is this hair? This, the last pin is here. It's also bent backward. I just need to be careful that these pins shall not make any short connection with any other pin while the processor is installed. I can see a lot of hairs on it. I just need to rise these pins to make sure that they touch the processor. I think we should try with the processor now. Okay, so now I got power supply, CPU cooler, electrical supply. Now install these things here. I also need graphic card. So here is graphic card GTX 980. Here goes the RAMs, power supply, for the cooler I'm just going to keep it on the CPU and not going to install it. I just need a display, so for a specific small period of time it's not necessary to fix the cooler and do all this hard work. HDMI. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, there seem to be no power. My power supply is receiving power because I can hear the whining in the coil. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. Oh, the motherboard turned on and it's turning off every second. The processor is showing a little bit of heating. Maybe I will insert another RAM. There is no display. Let's try it one more time, guys. Oh yes. Okay. So what I was doing wrong, maybe it's about RAMs. Actually, I'm using this LGA 2011 very first time. I'm touching it very first time. I haven't used it till now. So there are 8 RAM slots. So I was putting RAM in different slots. So I just put it one RAM into A1 and it gave display. And as you can see that this was a really precise work. And literally this is the first time that I did not even look at the pins with my eyes because these pins are smaller than the normal pins, and I was really lucky to repair it. So I'll sum up this video now, and I would like to thank all of my viewer and subscriber. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video, and see you next time. Good luck.